All right, students, so I need y'all to watch this. Some of you are not reading everything that has been put into your directions. So listen, that is on you. You have to read every day. The discussions that I put up are important, okay? So in yesterday's discussion, I put a link. I also sent out an email yesterday. I put a link to where you can copy and paste this editable form of a Google slide just in your web browser and it should pop up. However, you will have to request access from me. It's not difficult. Once I get on my email, it takes like 2 seconds for me to give you that access. If you notice it hasn't been done in 5 minutes, send me a chat or send me another email. I am trying to work hard at getting it approved instantly for you because I know y'all want to get started. Here's what I need you to do. Do not try to edit the Google slide that I gave you, okay? Because look at all of these people up here that have access. You are not the only one that wants to get their project done, okay? Do not edit the one that's here. What you need to do is any page that you need to answer like this, press it, copy it, and then go. What I did is I went and I opened another tab and I opened a brand new Google slide. When you get in here, just press paste and it'll paste. You can match the style in the original presentation or keep the original style. It really doesn't matter. You may have to mess with it a little bit, like, bring this up a little bit, bring this up a little bit. And then that's all you need to do. Okay, page number 2, copy, go to your new slide. Okay, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know why. Insert a, where's my new slide? A new slide, paste. No, I don't need to link. Look, there you go, okay? Edit your slides this way so that not everybody, because when you go, again, going back to this, there's a lot of people up here, and some of you are trying to edit this original Google slide that I gave you. You can't do that because of everybody that's trying to use it. So just copy and paste onto a new slide, okay? If you have any questions, please email me.